Sports Minister Shaklyar Wajuri on Tuesday stated that the Sports Department and Meghalaya State Olympic Association (MSOA) has launched the LEAD program, in which 9 athletes have been chosen for training in preparation for competing at the international level and at the Olympics. The minister expressed hope that the trained athletes in the period of 3 years will be able to compete in the international level and even in the Olympics. Among the 9 athletes, 6 belong to athletics category, 2 in weightlifting and 1 in karate, and they all belong to different districts of the state.
So this program was to test all these athletes and to further send them for better training, you can say. So from these 14,500, we've selected 200, out of which some of them have dropped out, out of which 172 were selected, and after further training and further so we've selected 9 athletes. So these 9 athletes will now be trained for a period of 3 years, where from the government side, so in the course of 3 years, we're hoping that these 9 athletes after this training can represent our state on international level as well, and even Olympics.